हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम सीखेंगे मिसिंग वाला ABCD। ब्लैक कलर, ब्राउन कलर, ब्लू कलर, वायलेट कलर, ग्रीन कलर, सी ग्रीन कलर, रेड कलर, येलो कलर, पिंक कलर। ग्रीन कलर, A for aeroplane, black color, B for banana, yellow color, C for cake, red color, D for dog, green color, E for elephant, E for elephant, brown color, F for flowers, F for flowers, C green color, G for grapes, G for grapes, pink color, H for hen, H for hen, red color, I for ink, I for ink, green color, J for jug, J for jug, blue color, K for kite, K for kite, yellow color, L for lion, black color, M for moon, M for moon, brown color, N for nose, N for nose, C green color, O for orange, O for orange, pink color, P for parrot, P for parrot, blue color, Q for queen, Q for queen, pink color, R for rose, R for rose, yellow color, S S for sunflower. S for sunflower. Red color. T. T for tiger. T for tiger. Green color. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Sea green color. V. V for vegetable. V for vegetable. Pink color. W. W for was. W for was. Blue color. X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Black color. Y. Y for yellow. Y for yellow. Sea green color. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.